This is Andy for Ideas for Technology. In this first episode, we're going to be testing out a product called the Mighty Boom Ball. This product will able actually to turn various different objects around the house into a speaker. So we're going to be testing out on a few of these different objects to see what sound we can get out of it. The Mighty Boom Ball product comes in two different editions. You either have the Battery Booster edition, which has AAA batteries to power it, or you have the Power Booster edition, which is a USB rechargeable booster. Both of them actually come with a standard phono lead, which can plug into your iPhone, MP3 player, or any other device that has one of these. Let's now go forward and actually test out the Power Booster edition. Okay, so we have the Mighty Boom Ball set up here. We've got the boom ball itself on the end, and then attached with the Power Booster, which all goes through to a phono lead on an iPhone. So you'll notice here it's a small ball at the moment, but then when we actually take off the top, underneath, you have a small sticky surface, which there are a few of in the pack, to actually replace, and this actually helps you attach it to various different objects. So for instance, if you actually listen to it without being attached to anything at all, you may be able to hear that, maybe not. And then we attach it to a surface such as the table, you can suddenly start to hear the sound, as it's using the table itself as a speaker. So then we'll test out an object such as this big plastic box. Again, attaching it to the box itself. And you get a deeper sound because it's using some of the actual container itself as kind of a bass speaker. Again, we'll move on to a different object, one slightly smaller, to replace that. And then you've got a small container here, and again, attach it to that. Because it's a slightly lighter product, lighter materials, it makes a slightly different sound to it. And then finally, let's move on to something a bit heftier, like a big tin. And then you have actually a fairly impressive speaker, just out of a household object. So that's a pretty standard run through of kind of how the Mighty Boom Ball works. Well, that's it from me for this episode of Ideas for Technology. You can follow more news on all your normal social media networks. So until next time, take care.